Evaluation of the satisfaction of hospitalized patients in a low-income country, a case of the Lamorde National Teaching Hospital, Amiru Boubacar Diallo Hospital. By Tour A, I, Dodo B, Biga B, D, Suli K, Bonkano A, Bonkano O, Abba G, A, DGBO A, and Mamne A. Introduction. The measurement of user satisfaction is part of the overall context of the rise of the user's place in the organization of the healthcare system, where the service rendered to the client and its appreciation are central. Aim. This study aims to contribute to the study of the improvement of the quality of care and the degree of satisfaction of the patients and their accompanying persons with regard to the health services provided at the various services of the Lamorde National Teaching Hospital in Niamey, Republic of Niger in West Africa. Materials and methods. This is a qualitative and transversal descriptive prospective study carried out from 15 August 2018 to 15 March 2019 in the National Lamorde Hospital. The study sample consisted of 1,045 hospitalized patients in the Lamorde National Hospital. The method consisted of a direct interview with patients in the inpatient hospital services and a direct interview with the accompanying patients. Patients in pediatrics on socio-demographic aspects, variables relating to reception, information, patient rights, care and satisfaction. Results. The present study found that hospitality was adequate for 84% of patients. The rate of dissatisfaction with information given to patients on their health status was 20% compared to information on their rights at 88.20%. The consent request was not made in 62.20% of the cases, and prior warning on the benefits and risks of treatments and examinations had not occurred in 57.90% of patients. The discharge or transfer of the patient was not organized in 43.40% of the cases. 11.60% of patients said their relatives could not meet doctors regularly. 21.60% of patients felt that confidentiality had not been respected. 66.70% of the patients had found staff who were careful to give them information about the care provided. And 89.70% were generally satisfied with the care provided by the doctors. 92.60% had generally considered the physiotherapist to be satisfied. 90.01% rated the management by the laboratory staff satisfactory, and 84.80% were satisfied with the care taken by the nurses. In this study, 86.99% of the patients found satisfactory emergency management at the block. 90.44% of patients were satisfied with the benefits. In medical imaging, 94.78% of patients were satisfied with their management with an improvement rate of 5.22%. The conditions of restoration and cooking are unsatisfactory for 61.20% of the patients questioned. The hospitalization conditions of the patients are uncomfortable for 36.80% of the patients. The atmosphere of the service is judged unsatisfactory in 25.70% of the cases, and 90.50% of patients are dissatisfied with television. The overall satisfaction rate was 86.10% for the stay in general. Conclusion. With the present study on inpatient satisfaction with the services of the Lamorde National Hospital, it was possible to measure their level of satisfaction and factors of non-satisfaction. At the end of this study, it was concluded that much remains to be done to improve overall patient satisfaction as an inpatient as a whole. Taking charge of the disease is not just about taking care of an illness, it is essential to take into account social and psychological factors. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.